Hello boys and girls, how are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study. Let's start our lesson. The theme is our world. In today's lesson, we will learn new words, do the tasks, read the text and revise the comparative adjectives. Boys and girls, now write down the words. Kite, kite, kite festival, kite festival. Colorful, colorful. Amazing, amazing. Now boys and girls, let's read the text. Please follow me. The Portsmouth International Kite Festival in August is one of the best kite festivals in the world. It takes place in an open area close to the sea. There are lots of colorful kites to see, and even a chance to buy one if you want. There are also activities for all the family, including a children's kite workshop. The Portsmouth International Kite Festival takes place on Saturday and Sunday, so make sure you don't miss a great day out. Boys and girls, do you remember? Let's complete the sentences. The Portsmouth International Kite Festival in August is one of the best kite festivals in the world. Let's read the second sentence. It takes place in an open area close to the sea. There are lots of colorful kites to see and even a chance to buy one if you want. It was a good job. Boys and girls, did you know that we also have such kind of festival? So let's read the text. The International Kite Festival in Nursultan is in July, and it is a great day out for all the family. The festival takes place behind the Astana Music Hall, close to the Yeşil River. At the festival, you can see some amazing kites that look like whales, owls, and crocodiles. There are also kite building classes and kite masters who show children how to fly a kite. The International Kite Festival is the perfect way to spend a summer's day with the family. Boys and girls, now let's check what do you remember from the previous text. For that, let's do true or false task. The International Kite Festival in Nursultan is in July. What do you think? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. The festival takes place behind the Astana Music Hall, close to the Irtish River. Is it true or false? Of course, it is false. The correct sentence is: the festival takes place behind the Astana Music Hall, close to the Yeşil River. Let's read the next sentence. At the festival, you can see some amazing kites that look like whales, owls, and crocodiles. What do you think? Is it true or false? Yes, you are right. It is true. The International Kite Festival is the perfect way to spend a winter's day with the family. It is false. The correct sentence is: the International Kite Festival is a perfect way to spend the summer's day with the family. Now, boys and girls, please watch the video about the International Kite Festival in Nur Sultan. Enjoy it! It was a very good job. Let's continue. Look at the screen. We will talk about adjectives. They can be short adjectives and long adjectives. Short adjectives, for example, tall, small, short, big. Comparative form: adjective plus er plus than. Look at the example. Darhan is taller than Ali. Long adjectives. For example, beautiful, difficult, comfortable, correct. The forming of comparative: more plus adjective plus than. Look at the example. Math is more difficult than geography. Now let's draw a kite. Compare it to your friend. So use the phrase long tail. My kite has got a longer tail than your kite. Next word is big. My kite is bigger than your kite. It was a great job for today. Boys and girls, in today's lesson, we have learned new words, read the texts, done the tasks, and revised the comparative adjectives. The lesson is over. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day today.